Welcome food lovers, as we dive into the world of quick, easy, and absolutely scrumptious recipes. This is the place where your taste buds meet adventure, where flavors collide and culinary magic happens. Today, we bring to you a delightful treat from the heart of Germany, the Bavarian Pretzel Bites. To whip up these delightful bites, you need the following ingredients. Start with 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of yeast, and a cup of warm water to activate that yeast. You'll also need half a teaspoon of salt and a tablespoon of sugar for that perfect balance of flavors. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of melted butter for a rich buttery texture and a cup of baking soda for the quintessential pretzel crust. With these ingredients ready, you are all set to create your very own Bavarian pretzel bites. Now, with your ingredients at hand, follow these simple steps. We begin our culinary journey into the heart of Bavaria with these delightful pretzel bites. It all starts with the dough. Combine your warm water, sugar, and yeast. Let it sit until it's frothy. Now gradually add in your flour and salt, mixing until you've got a smooth, elastic dough. Next, it's time to shape our bites. Divide the dough into small portions and roll them into balls. This recipe should give you about 10 bites. Now onto the fun part. Boil them briefly in a mixture of water and baking soda. This will give them their classic pretzel crust. Finally, bake them in a preheated oven until they're a beautiful golden brown. A sprinkle of coarse salt before they hit the oven will add that trademark pretzel flavor. Voila! Your Bavarian pretzel bites are ready to be devoured. Enjoy them warm with a side of your favorite dip. There you have it, folks. A simple, quick, and delectable Bavarian pretzel bite recipe. In no time flat, we've mixed, kneaded, boiled, and baked our way to 10 golden, tantalizing bites. Please subscribe to this channel for more such delightful recipes. Thanks for watching.